Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on parallel form realization of discrete time system. So we have to realize this system given here. So whenever we want to realize the system, we need h of z. So first we take z transform. So y of z minus 5 into z power minus 1 y of z plus 6 z power minus 2 y of z x of z plus 2 z power minus 1 x of z. So what I need is h of z. H of z is nothing but y of z divided by x of z. So take y of z outside. Similarly, take x of z outside and simplify it. What you get is 1 plus 2z inverse divided by 1 minus 5z inverse 6z power minus 2. This you can simplify that. Okay. So what you get? Z into z plus 2 divided by z squared minus 5z plus 6 if you simplify. Why I am taking in terms of z? Because I want a passive fraction of given h of z. Because whenever I want to realize parallel form, we should get passive fraction expansion. That's why I take everything in terms of z. You can get a passive fraction in terms of z power minus 1 also, no problem. Right? Okay. Now what I do is I take h of z. This z I bring this side. I told whenever you take passive fraction expansion and inverse z transform, bring z one side. So it will be z by 2 divided by z minus 2 into z minus 3. That is equal to a by z minus 2 plus b by z minus 3. Right? If you take passive fraction expansion and find the answer, what you get is phi a we got as phi by z minus 3. You take like this, z minus, anyway both are correct, right? I take like z minus 3, z minus 2. So 5 by z minus 3 minus 4 by z minus 2. Left hand side h of z by z. So I bring this z this side, so it will be 5z minus 4z. Right? So what happens? This indicates h of z is equal to 5 into, we know this we can write as z you take outside 1 by 1 minus 3z inverse. Here also in numerator and denominator take z outside. What you get is 1 by 1 minus 2z inverse. Now we got h of z in the passive fraction format. Now we can draw the diagram. Right? So we know x of z in a parallel form. How we have to draw x of z? Fine. So this must go. Numerator is 5. Here we have to add 1 z power minus 1. Here it will come as 3. Multiplication factor 3. And here you have to put adder. How I have drawn this? Please refer my video on parallel form. Right? For this equation we have to draw like this only. Right? This is for this one only. Let us assume this is h1. So we have drawn h1. Next h2 is 4 by 1 minus 2z inverse. Okay. So what is the thing? 4 by, so you see z inverse 4 by 2 is 2. So we have to draw 2. This is what our x of z, right? I draw like this. Simply x of z, what you can do, right? So here x of z must be common for both. So this is our x of z and these two must be added. That's what this one, right? So this is minus 4. So I put minus 4 here. These things must be added. So add it. What you get is y of z. This is what parallel form. So this minus 4, 1 by 2 z inverse I write as plus minus 4. Right? Both are same only. So for 1 by 1 minus 2 z inverse, we know this formula. Multiplication factor here is 5. So here also 5. It is minus 4. So I put minus 4. Right? Here you see, after taking passive fraction, you can directly draw. First you take passive fraction, you see what is the pole here? Pole at 3. here pole at 2, right? So pole value doesn't change. Simply substitute pole value P1, P2, right? So 0 will be coming as 0. 0 is 5 and minus 4. This is what in direct form 2 we know. 0, 0. Okay. So I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify. Thank you.